Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mai!
Birthday, bro. Laman-laman ang wish ko sa'yo. More happiness and more huwag ko lang sa'yo. I love you.
Cheers! Happy birthday, Jessie! From your baklang pinakapasikip. We love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Jess. We love you. Take care always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mai. I wish you all the best, especially health and happiness. Palagi ka mag-iingat. Love na love kita.
Happy birthday, Mommy Ai. Happy birthday, Mommy Ai. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy Ai. Happy birthday, Mommy Ai. Take care, I love you.
Cheesy! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best because you are the best. So, continued happiness and success, and I'm so proud of you. Achuchuchu. Happy birthday!
Habibi, I hope this year brings you joy, happiness, in every step you make. One of the best things that happened, that Boo Boo introduced me to you. So what I'm gonna tell you is, enjoy, and may you have a very successful year. Happy birthday. Habibi. Bebe. Habibi.
Bebe, it's cheesy.
Okay. Cheesy.
Habibi.
Bebe.
Bebe.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Jess from US of M. So, ayun nga, happy birthday lang. Thank you, Ate, kasi binigyan mo ako ng chance na mapatikim sa Nildefonso yung coffee na pwede nilang matikman. Basta happy birthday. I love you, Mama Chup Chup. Ginaw dito sa US of M. Happy birthday, Jessie!
Sana yumaman pa po kayong dalawa ni Miss Carla at maging #1 sa buong mundo ang Air Cafe.
We miss you!
Bayan, traffic naman dito. Malilate na ako sa Air Cafe. Wow! Happy birthday, Jess! Ay, Ate Jess pala kasi nga ate kita for a day. Ano bang wish ko? Siyempre wish ko marami ka pang birthdays na marating kasi marami pa tayong gagawin. Congratulations in advance sa mga may papatayo pa nating mga ano ba yun? Badminton court, car wash, tambayan, billiards, saka yung pinakamahalaga yung indoor pool. Hindi, joke lang. Pero happy birthday, Jess. Always proud of you sa mga achievements mo sa buhay. And sana marami pa tayong mga projects na magawa in the near future. Kasi marami akong mga balak gawin na. Happy birthday ulit. See you sa Air Cafe.
Yes.
Hello, Bryce! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, yes!
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. I hope na nag-enjoy ka sa aming munting sorpresa na pa-fiesta. And sana ay magkaroon ka pa ng maraming lakas para ma-achieve natin lahat ng goals natin dito sa mundo. Mabuhay ka hanggang sa kailan mo gusto. Nandito lang kami sa suporta sa iyo. Itasha! Mahal na mahal ka namin. Mwah! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!